Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Electrical Tools is probably one of the most essential kits for any car enthusiast or professional mechanic. Whether you're diagnosing a mysterious electrical gremlin, installing new lights, or upgrading your car's sound system, having the right tools can make all the difference. In this video, we'll dive into some of the top-rated electrical tools, comparing their features, and helping you choose the perfect set to keep your vehicle running smoothly. Number 5. JOREST 300 PCS Car Fuse Assortment Kit. This kit includes a wide variety of fuses, including micro, mini, and standard sizes. It has 11 different current specifications, ensuring you have the right fuse for the job. This assortment is designed to meet all your automotive needs. The kit features an increased number of commonly used fuses like 10A, 15A, 20A, and 25A. This thoughtful arrangement makes it a perfect backup fuse box for your vehicle. It's designed to be practical and efficient. Made from environmentally friendly plastic and zinc alloy, it's built to last. These blade fuses are suitable for cars, RVs, trucks, and more. However, please note that it may not be compatible with certain specific models. Each fuse is color-coded and clearly marked with its current specification. This makes it incredibly easy to identify and replace the correct fuse. You'll save time and effort with this user-friendly design. The kit includes fuse installation instructions to guide you. This ensures you can replace and install the fuses correctly. It's designed to be a hassle-free experience. What we like. This fuse kit offers a wide range of sizes and amperages, ensuring you have the right fuse for almost any automotive electrical need. It's designed with easy identification in mind, with each fuse color-coded for quick selection. If you have a variety of vehicles or frequently work on different car electrical systems, it's a must-have for your toolkit. What people say. Each fuse is color-coordinated and fits snugly into its designated spot. This kit ensures that different vehicles can operate optimally with the correct fuses. The variety of sizes and types, mini, micro, and standard blade, covers all the bases. Number 4. SEEKONE HG350 Mini Heat Gun. This SEEKONE Mini Heat Gun features dual temperature settings, 500 degrees Fahrenheit and 842 degrees Fahrenheit. It's perfect for various projects, providing the ideal temperature for any task you have. This allows for both delicate tasks and DIY projects. Safety is a priority with this heat gun, featuring built-in overheat protection. It will automatically cut off the power if it gets too hot. A nozzle safety shield is also included, ensuring a safe working environment. The compact and lightweight design makes it easy to handle and use for extended periods. It's especially useful in tight spaces. The retractable stand provides stability, allowing for hands-free operation. This mini heat gun is a versatile tool for heat shrinking, embossing, and more. The included nozzle ensures precise and controlled heat output. This keeps the heat focused where it's needed. The package includes the mini heat gun, a nozzle, and a user manual. Our team is ready to provide ongoing technical support for the life of the device. What we like. With its dual temperature settings, this heat gun is perfect for both delicate tasks and more demanding projects. The compact design makes it easy to handle and use in tight spaces. If you are looking for a tool for vinyl wrapping, heat shrinking, or crafting, this heat gun will be a great addition to your tool collection. What people say. It heats up quickly and provides just the right amount of power for detailed projects without being bulky or hard to control. The two temperature settings make it versatile and easy to use for crafts, shrink tubing, vinyl wrap, epoxy, paint removal, and other DIY tasks. This heat gun meets those needs perfectable. I do like the straight line style as well since it stores more easily and is easier to handle. Number 3. Terminal Removal Tool Kit 96 PCS. Introducing the 96-piece Terminal Removal Tool Kit. It includes everything you need for electrical connector pin removal. This kit is designed to make your work easier and more efficient. The terminal removal tools are made of high-quality stainless steel and plastic. This ensures they are durable and can withstand repeated use. You'll find they are not easy to deform. This kit is suitable for most electronic equipment maintenance. It includes tools for automotive, household devices, and more. It's a versatile tool for various applications. The kit also includes automotive trim removal tools. These are ergonomically designed for easy handling and safe fastener removal. They are perfect for interior repairs. The Diamond Grip Terminal Cleaner is included to remove corrosion and extend harness life. It is sharp and wear resistant. This helps maintain the integrity of your connections. Finally, the kit includes an automotive circuit tester. It can test voltages from 6-24 V DC. It's ideal for detecting power system circuits, such as fuses and batteries. What we like. This kit provides a complete solution for removing terminals and cleaning connectors, including a circuit tester. The tools are made from high-quality materials, ensuring durability and longevity. If you like to work on automotive electrical systems, this kit will help you diagnose and repair electrical issues with ease. What people say. Worked great. The perfect size and style was in this kit. Very easy to use and hold. All the extraction tools are nice quality with no bending or damage to the connectors. These worked perfectly. These tools work great. And highly recommends them. Loves that it comes as a full set. Number 2. Terminal Removal Tool Kit 172 PCS. Introducing the 172-piece Terminal Removal Tool Kit. This comprehensive set makes removing electrical connector pins from wire harnesses easy. It's designed to save you time and prevent damage. The kit includes a variety of single, double, and triple pin extractors, along with casing tools. You'll have the right tool for almost any job. It also comes with a protective bag for storage. Made from high-quality stainless steel and plastic, this tool kit is built to last. The materials are flexible, resilient, and not easily deformed. You can use it repeatedly. Using the tool is simple, just push and pull the terminal pins. Remember to be gentle and pay attention to the barb clips that often hold the wires in place. It makes the job much easier. The kit comes with a waterproof protective bag to keep the tools organized and safe. This makes it easy to transport and store, and keeps the tools away from children. This tool kit is suitable for most cars, motorcycles, and other electronic devices. It's a versatile tool for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. It is a common tool for most connector terminals. What we like. This kit provides a wide range of tools for various automotive electrical tasks. The tools are designed to be easy to use, allowing you to remove terminals without damaging them. If you are looking for a comprehensive set of tools for automotive electrical work, it's a great choice. What people say. Worked great. The perfect size and style was in this kit. Very easy to use and hold. All the extraction tools are nice quality with no bending or damage to the connectors. These worked perfectly. They did a great job and still holding up well. These tools work great. And highly recommends them. Loves that it comes as a full set. Number 1. ANCEL BA10112V Automotive Battery Tester. This 12V battery tester is a reliable tool for vehicle maintenance. It quickly tests the battery's health, voltage, and charge status. It also checks the cranking and charging systems to ensure your vehicle's reliability. The device features advanced crocodile clips and an intelligent chip for precise diagnostics. It provides 99.6% accuracy, giving you reliable data on your battery's condition. Make sure to input the correct battery type and values for the best results. Enjoy effortless testing with an intuitive interface and a large LCD display. Designed for one-handed operation, it prioritizes convenience. Plus, it supports multiple languages for diverse users. This device has 4-in-1 safeguards to protect against polarity reversal, short circuits, overcurrent, and overvoltage. It is shielded by reinforced ABS to block battery damage and user risks, ensuring equipment performance. It is globally compatible with cars, trucks, boats, and RVs. It works with various battery types. Note that it is not for lithium batteries or non-12V types. The device offers multi-language support for effortless diagnostics. It also has a print function to record and share battery health details. It is designed for your convenience, precision, and ease of use. Input the correct value for accurate results. If you're unsure, use the CCA value from the battery label instead. Remember, batteries below 30 Ah are not supported. What we like. This tester provides accurate and reliable battery health information, including cranking and charging system tests. Its user-friendly design and multi-language support make it easy to use. If you are a car owner who wants to keep track of your battery's health, it's a great tool to have. What people say. I like that it has the battery test, starting circuit test, and the charging system test. I like that this is small but has a lot of nice features packed into it, such as keeping the CCA value so you don't have to re-enter it, reviewing the results, keeping several tests in memory, and the ability to print out the results. The display is backlit so it is easy to read. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.